So Federico comes through again. He has brought us to a stunning property. The drive up is spectacular. It's on my favorite side of Fivizzano. It's literally 5 minutes from Fivizzano. You can walk to Fivizzano from here. It's an older house, but everything is very groomed, and they have this amazing pizza oven with this picnic table under this amazing portico. It reminds me of like this beautiful mountain hideaway. That's the vibe I'm getting. So that's why I think I'm gonna get inside.
Forno.
He's running around now. I mean, now he's doing pizza oven things. I mean, he's like a bird. He just flits around.
Pizza, pane.
It's amazing.
Fantastico.
I love it. It's fab. Fabulous. It's exactly what I thought it was going to be. It's like a beautiful kind of mountain hideaway. Beautiful mountain hideaway. Love it. Okay.
Andiamo subito in sala.
Oh, wow. This is so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. I don't have anything to say. It's like, where's my checkbook? Isn't this amazing? This is a beautiful house. I mean, that fireplace is perfect. Perfetto questa casa. If you Ralph Lauren the shit out of this place, it'd be like heaven. I mean, this, I just see leather, like chairs and wonderful fabrics, and just move in. It's beautiful. It's absolutely fantastic. I mean, obviously some of the furnishing's, not my bag. There's too much furniture in this room for me. There's no rugs, which I think is weird.
It's not a showroom.
Maybe they have dogs. It's like a showroom. But, oh my goodness. I mean, this is gorgeous, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I love it. Well, first of all, the view is insane. I don't even know what to say. It's so pretty. And they have grapes, fruit trees, olive trees. Oh, there's like a little garage for the tractor. The grounds are beautiful. The pool is up there. That's the driveway. So this is a very grand house, very big. It's move-in ready, so you don't have to do a thing. I wouldn't do a thing to this house. I think it's perfect. And I never, ever say that.
Bellissima poi la cucina.
Oh, wow. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I would probably change the sink, but I would not touch this. Typical Annette. I would not touch this, but I would change the sink. Federico, we're doing a tour now. Ok. E qua?
Questo andiamo al piano sotto.
Ok, e sotto?
Sotto, dopo ci andiamo, dopo che abbiamo magari...
Let's go up first?
Sì.
Do the tour, come on. I mean, what the hell's
Andiamo di sopra.
Be the guy lunch, he's in a coma. Let's go.
Sì, dopo
Yeah,
pranzo.
lo so.
Poi ho preso un caffè decaffeinato.
I think the coffee should have had caffeine in it. How cute is this room? Oh, it's so cute. I would want to buy this whole thing as is. Wouldn't you just buy the furniture? Fits in here, that's the thing. It's here. Yeah. And how cute could you make this? You could make this really cute. And it's very clean and well kept. Ah, this is so cute. I can't. Isn't this fabulous?
There's a chandelier in that bedroom.
It's crazy. Well, some of this stuff I would definitely want to keep. Oh my God, you look at it. I feel like it's like a movie set. Don't you think? A little movie set-ish? I love this house. It's so pretty. It's just beautiful, this house. That pool looks outrageous. And there's a tennis court. Yeah. This bathroom's fabu. Oh my God, look at this mirror. Look at this mirror. Did you see this mirror? Look at that. Oh, I would definitely not take these out. I mean, oh. This is like the height of cool Italian stuff. Oh, and this bathroom's so cool. I mean, this is so cool, isn't it? Very cool. This is really cool. I love it. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's amazing. Well, that's nice to wake up to in the morning, don't you think? It's like, good morning. Newish roof, so no roof necessary. Oh, and that's Monchigoli down there, see? Oh, look, can we see my house? Can you see my house? No, you can't see my house.
Posara.
Yeah, but it's Posada. Is that, what's that?
Quello è Monchigoli. Sì.
Monchigoli?
Sì, sì. Wow.
Wow.
Posizione incredibile.
I want this room. This room's great. This is my room. All the armoires, I'm always like about closets and storage and stuff, but these armoires are so beautiful. Oh my God, there's so many bedrooms here. Quanti camere di letto?
6.
This is wonderful tile. I know everybody's looking at me going, oh, I hate this tile, rip it out. Oh my God, no. You'll never find this tile again as long as you live. I mean, it's like this 70s groovy tile that's Italian, it's a certain style, Oh my God, with the same view, unbelievable. I mean, the view is just insane. I mean, it's so beautiful. I mean, can you imagine waking up? It's like waking up in heaven. I don't have anything bad to say. Oh, and then there's a storage room here. Oh, this is cool. Check out the storage room. So this could be your laundry room, is what I would use it as a laundry room, because Italians sort of do laundry in the kitchen. But this is a laundry room. I always like the laundry room upstairs, where all the beds are, because that's where the most laundry is, right? Or where you take your clothes off. Or in some cases, drop your underpants on the floor and then have them show your house. They've staged it for us, as you can see.
Incredibile.
Even he thinks it's crazy. Oh. Oh, they're calling you, Federico.
He's selling more houses.
These are people you don't like. You put them in this room. And I think, yeah, no shower. They're going to have to take a shower somewhere else. But there's enough bathrooms here that they can choose which one they want to take a bath. So look how nice this landing is. Not killer stairs. They are spirally, but they got the memo that maybe make them a little bit deeper so people don't fall down the stairs. It's beautiful. I mean, it's a really beautiful house. I really wish I had something terrible to say, but I really don't. I don't really wish I had something terrible to say, but it's funnier if I don't like something. But this is beautiful.
Qui c'è un bagno di servizio, magari che è comodo perché è anche
Yeah.
all'ingresso.
Oh gosh, I gotta pee. These are unbelievably cool. I mean, I cannot with these. This is like my IKEA mirror, but the real thing. Seriously, with the light in it. I mean, so I will say everything in this house, when they did the renovation, is highest quality. This is the highest quality house I've seen in a long time here. Everything's perfect. Stairs are perfect. Tile is perfect. Wood is perfect. It's perfect. I will say. Oh, big storage. Wow. And deer head. This is cool down here.
Big wall.
Home theater would be a thing I would think about putting in here. Pool table, man cave, big bar, playroom, right? This is amazing. I mean, this house is spectacular. What are you laughing at?
You turned your head. You're behind the
Sticking around the outside.
Can you take a picture of me with that? Can I get in that position again, I think?
Perfetto. No. Favoloso.
Send that to me, that's so good. We were touring a house today. I would Wes Anderson the shit out of this place. Just make it really fun and funky. That guy needs to go above the fireplace, you know, with string lights. It really could go quirky, this house, and it could go very elegant, this house. It could go a lot of different ways, which I like. But all the quality of the house is fantastic.
Wine.
Holy Mother of God.
Wine.
Does this come with the house? Oh my God.
Come on.
These are Carrara marble shelves.
Sì.
Stop it.
Questo è marmo. Sì, sì.
Stop.
Marmo.
Stop it, Federico. Amazing. Amazing. Wow, this is so cool. I love it. Fantastic. Really cool. Oh, so this is where they do all the bottling and stuff. Very cool. Well, I could drop dead here. I'd be super happy. Isn't this amazing? Oh, God, Federico. This is the thing about Italy, is like you look at all this crap and then you go, oh my God, this is really how the Italians live. This is so beautiful. I love this place. I hope somebody cool buys it. Please message me when you buy this. I want to come over and have some wine. This is so cool. Used to wine tasting down here, a lot of candles, music playing. Oh wow, this is cool too. There's all these fountains here. Love. Oh, the church bells are ringing. You know how much I like those. The church bells are ringing. You look good there, Federico.
Parla da sola.
I'm just surveying my land today. Holy crap, look at this from this side. This is one of those houses that looks really little when you drive up, and then you look at it from the side, you're like, oh, this is a giant house. And then here is the road that we came up on, the grand driveway, and all their wood, and they have their own tractor, which I think is very cool. I really always wanted my own tractor. I have a tractor, but it's not my tractor. It's a huge pool. Watch out for the nuts. Claire laughs at all my jokes. Bella grande questa piscina. This is like a hotel pool. God. Oh my God, this is nuts. So this is the mechanical room for the pool. Look how cute this is here. In the summer, it's like heaven up here. I'm coming up to this. I thought our pool was cool. Oh, and a kitchen. And a new range and a refrigerator with cold drinks. I am in. And then they have, of course, a bathroom. Oh, there's a shower in here too. Oh, excuse me, there's 2 bathrooms out here. I'm sorry. Fantastic. Oh, and the tennis court. Okay, it's a little bit of a disaster, but tennis court down there, close to the pool. So you go play tennis, then you can just take a shower and jump in the pool. Thank you. You know, I don't even know what to say. I mean, this is beautiful, no? This is one of the best properties I think we've looked at.
It's a real lifestyles of the rich and famous moment.
I know you have to be really careful here. These are slippy, I will say. So don't step on the nuts. Don't fall on your nuts, because that's gonna hurt. This house is, we used to say in the oldie days, tits. It's tits. This house is tits for sure. You probably can't say tits. I'll probably get canceled for saying tits now, but I'm old, remember, so I can say whatever I want. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh my God. Oh, it's like a little apartment. Very cute. Karina, how cute is this apartment? You guys go upstairs. Let me know what it looks like. Okay, so Federico, well done, well done, well done. This is one of the most beautiful properties you've ever brought me to. It's absolutely stunning, stunning property. Thank you very much. So I hope you've gotten this far because this house is worth that time. Thank you so much for joining us.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Wait, you're like premature here. Don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
thank you. And we'll see you at the next location. Thank you so much. And until then,
Grazie mille.
ciao.